Today, we will count down the 15 banned gadgets that you can still purchase from Amazon in 2026. These include hidden spy cameras, voice recording gadgets, survival gadgets, and self-defense devices, among others. All of them are either on the borderline of being legal or illegal. They may be meant for use in self-defense or even to ensure personal security, but they pose serious challenges regarding privacy and personal security. Number 15. Mini Security Camera. Mini Security Camera, which is small yet impressive, is an all-around security system, which will protect the property. This gadget is very compact and is designed in a way that allows hiding it in various places. Indicator lights are available, but one can turn them off. Motion detectors instantly send warnings about suspicious activities to your phone. The device records videos using memory cards up to 256 gigabytes and doesn't depend on Wi-Fi. A magnetic plate ensures that placing it is not complicated at all. Mini Security Camera has an adjustable lens which covers up to 180 degrees. Its battery guarantees up to 4 hours of usage. Number 14. SearPro Flamethrower. The SearPro Flame Torch is one hell of an efficient multi-purpose torch made for ultimate power and performance. Operating at maximum temperatures up to 1,800 degrees, it takes less than a minute to set the charcoal on fire. The unique design allows the torch owner to adjust the fuel supply to create everything from precise cooking flames to high-intensity fires. Compatible with regular propane tanks, the light unit is portable and easy to carry around for any outdoor cooking, campfire setting, or even industrial purposes. It is commonly used by chefs who need to quickly sear steaks, but there are other uses for it, like burning weeds, melting glass, or even heating large metal surfaces. Number 13. Survival Torch. Survival Torch is a heavy-duty tool that can help create a fire under challenging conditions, where usual lighters and matchsticks will most probably not work. It consists of a tough 6-inch ferrocerium rod that is capable of producing strong sparks even after complete immersion in water. The curved metal spark striker provides for easy production of plenty of sparks on the 36-inch waxed hemp rope, which can burn steadily for 3 hours regardless of weather conditions, wet or dry. This handy and durable fire-making device will prove itself in any weather including rain, snow, and frost. Useful for camping, hunting, and hiking, it can be easily put into a pocket and used whenever fire is needed. Number 12. Stun gun baton and flashlight. This Baton stun gun flashlight is highly durable and efficient and provides illumination alongside its self-protection functions. It is made of sturdy yet lightweight Type 3 aluminum, and it has been designed to be durable despite having a lightweight design. It comes with a very loud electric shock effect, which is expected to be sufficient to scare away any intruder before any physical confrontation takes place. It comes with an LED light that has several modes of illumination. It has been estimated that this light can last up to 100,000 hours. It includes 3 different levels of illumination, with a 4th mode of blinking light. There is also an inbuilt mechanism to minimize any risks of accidental activation, which will enhance convenience. Number 11. All-Purpose Tactical Machete. The Universal Tactical Machete is a tough and practical tool with roots that go back to the classic bolo machete, which has been linked with farming and survival activities in Southeast Asia for many years. The unique machete has an 18-inch long blade in a leaf shape and can deliver robust cutting power for slashing, cutting, and hacking tasks. The machete is made using high-quality 155 carbon steel with a protective matte black finish to make it resistant to rust and wear. The machete weighs approximately 24 ounces and gives users a powerful swing with a lot of force with each slash. The downward blade ensures that the handle locks comfortably in the hands of the operator, giving them better control when performing vigorous cutting tasks. Number 10. Aztec Death Whistle. Also referred to as the Aztec Death Whistle, this Mesoamerican ceramic device from ancient times is related to ritual and psychological warfare. This instrument emits an intense windswept shriek that has a sound combination of human shriek and air turbulence. There is evidence that it was employed during rituals and before going to war to scare the enemy. A group of whistles could be blown together to induce fear in and place immense psychological pressure on them. This artifact is currently replicated and is often seen in museums, collections, and Halloween shows as it creates an eerie sound. Although it is made from a simple material such as clay, it can cause intense fight or flight responses from its audience. Number 9. Tactical Tomahawk. A tactical tomahawk is a robust device with multiple applications that is small enough to be easy to maneuver and carry around. For example, one contemporary model, known as SOG Fast Hawk, consists of a light aluminum body weighing 24 ounces and has a blade made from 420 stainless steel that can be used for chopping, cutting, and breaching operations. Some of these tools also have hammer spikes that are meant to strike objects, while others feature a spike at their ends that are capable of piercing different materials. These weapons usually come with a ballistic sheath that is mounted on a belt or carried in a backpack. They are a modern adaptation of combat tomahawks used by firefighters, campers, and survival experts. Number 8. Extreme Ops Folding Knife. The Extreme Ops Folding Knife is a practical and portable pocket knife that can be carried in the outdoors for various utility purposes. It has a length of approximately 7 inches when unfolded and a blade length of 3 inches, which makes it convenient to carry in pockets or on belts. The blade is composed of 7 CR17MO vise steel, which is durable and provides some degree of edge retention. Black oxide coating further protects it against wear and tear. The body is made of light aluminum, and hence the knife weighs only 3.5 ounces. This folding knife has a reliable liner locking mechanism for securing the blade and thumb studs and a finger flipper for rapid opening. Number 7. Bushnell Night Vision Equinox Z2. The Bushnell Night Vision Equinox Z6, also popularly known in the Equinox Z product line, is a digital night vision monocular that serves for both low-light viewing and long-range viewing. It has an inbuilt infrared illuminator to facilitate image creation even during total darkness and helps in detecting any movement at quite long ranges. The unit features a high-resolution optic system, and with the 50mm objective lens used alongside the 6x magnification capability, it provides more clarity on what one might be viewing in the dark, such as animals and distant objects. The unit supports 1080 pixel HD video recording and streaming capabilities via an integrated Wi-Fi function to smartphones, where the user can change settings as well. Number 6. Pepper Spray Grenade. The tactical tear gas and pepper spray grenade is an offensive crowd control weapon used by law enforcement agencies when dealing with risky scenarios like riots and barricades. This grenade utilizes irritants like CS tear gas and OC pepper spray to generate a dense cloud of dispersal that overwhelms the eyesight and breathing capacity of the targets. The tactical tear gas and pepper spray grenade is built to quickly cover an area with the irritants and affect numerous targets simultaneously in a limited or open space. Upon detonation, the irritants are dispersed and cause the affected people to experience burning sensations in the eyes and coughing, prompting them to disperse without physical interaction. Number 5. Umarex T4E TR68 Revolver. The T4E TR68 Revolver is a less lethal launcher that uses compressed CO2 gas cartridges to launch projectiles. It has a realistic revolver-type body structure, making it look like a standard pistol and providing an accurate feeling when fired. It can shoot a wide variety of ammunition, including rubber balls, paint rounds, and powder rounds. Rubber balls produce kinetic energy impact when shot from this weapon. Paint rounds contain dye that leaves a mark on the target, while powder rounds produce noise. This weapon also provides light and laser attachment sights for better usage in dim lighting. Despite being non-lethal, it generates significant force, so it is used mainly for professional training or simulation purposes. Number 4. The Taser Pulse Plus. The Taser Pulse Plus conductive energy device used by law enforcement officers is a small-sized conducted energy weapon, which works for personal protection and security purposes. Its function entails shooting 2 electrified darts up to 15 feet range, which disrupt voluntary muscle movements in order to neutralize threats without employing any lethal measures. The improvement lies in its use of a laser aiming assist to improve its precision during high-stress situations, thereby increasing efficiency and reliability in response. The major breakthrough lies in making the unit compatible with smartphones, which automatically broadcast the GPS coordinates of the user and send alerts to nearby units when employed. Number 3. SOG Throwing Knives. SOG throwing knives consist of balanced blades used for target training, skills practice, and recreational throwing games. Constructed using stainless steel, often in full tang, they are made to ensure uniformity in flight pattern and rotation in the air. The knives are light and strong enough to enable control when thrown, ensuring that accuracy improves with practice. Several sets include more than one knife along with a belt sheath. The knives have an identical structure, allowing for even spinning. They can be used by both new learners to acquire techniques and advanced users to polish their skills. Despite their main purpose being for sport and competition, they exhibit characteristics akin to modern outdoor products. Caution is needed when using them because of their cutting edge and impact power. Number 2. Mini AI Voice-Activated Recorder. An AI voice-activated mini recorder is a small electronic device used to record audio without having to touch anything. It resembles a coin or thumbnail and can be easily hidden under a desk or stuck to metallic surfaces with a magnetic strip. It uses voice activation technology and therefore starts recording audio only when speech is detected, thus saving battery and memory space. Besides recording audio, the internal artificial intelligence program transcribes all the recorded dialogues into written form and summarizes the conversations briefly for easy reference. Although it is very convenient and helpful, it poses several legal and ethical concerns regarding privacy laws and regulations, which differ in different parts of the world. Number 1. Keysy RFID Duplicator. Keysy RFID Duplicator is a portable credential manager that can manage up to 4 valid RFID credentials in an appropriate environment. The Keysy RFID Duplicator can manage RFID key fobs and cards only in an appropriate environment. There are several security measures on the device that prevent its usage for emulating an RFID card only within a specific system and with authorization. It can be found mentioned in facilities management and testing processes where credential management is essential. The use of the Keysy RFID Duplicator should be limited to legal operations that do not go against security guidelines. Overall, it seems like a tool for professionals who need to manage access credentials. That's the list of the 15 gadgets that are still illegal to sell on Amazon even in 2026. They have been classified under several categories, some useful and others controversial. However, all of them prove how technology is evolving at an incredible rate. In case you liked the article, please don't forget to like and share it.